Andyan.
It's dry there this time.
Ano man yung tawag din?
Yung bahay kubo.
Oh, yung
Yes, all of
kay
them.
Luma. Yung pinaglalagyan ng kung ano.
Rice granary.
What do they call it again?
Alang.
Ah, yan yung
Oh, I think there's more up here. Oh, it's a very nice place. I think I would come back. I would like to come back here when I want to relax. But on a week, during weekdays, not on weekends like this. There would be less people during weekdays.
reminds me a lot of Giant.
Yes. Do you miss the mountains of Jayan? Ooh. Oh, there's more. I think this is the highest point. Because this one is going back to the canteen. That way.
That's my Dungard.
And wait, let me go ahead. Is this still part of it? I think this belongs to another. Why not?
Hindi, sa kanila pa rin.
Oh shit.